Hi there, in this video I am going to show you how to reset your WordPress website just like it was when you first installed WordPress. Now before we start, let's quickly take a look at our website. Right now you can see how it looks, but once we reset it, everything will be wiped clean. It will go back to the default WordPress look like a fresh new website. Alright, let's get started. First, we will need to install a plugin that helps us reset the site. So go to your plugin section, then click add new. In the search bar type reset, you will see a plugin called WP Reset. Install it, and once it's done, click activate. Now go to the plugin settings and click on it to open these settings. Just scroll down and you will see a section that says reset site. In the text box, you will need to type the word reset, just small letters, no capital letters. Then click the red reset site button. It will ask you to confirm your admin username and password. Once you log in again, your website is completely reset. If you refresh the page, you will see a fresh dashboard and a blank website, just like when WordPress was newly installed, and that's it.